Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Talking about a project I believe is one of the top sleepers in the entire crypto market. Now, you guys know how I feel. You guys know pretty much all the projects that are not being talked about, that aren't really, that sexy or being extremely appealing right now, are the ones that I'm looking at. And this project here, HBAR, I believe is by far one of the top sleepers in the markets right now. Let's dive into it. Taking a look at this partnership right now, you guys know Hedera has been on fire when it comes to partnerships, like not wasting any time, to the point where I think it's a disservice that Hedera isn't even doing next to any marketing. Like, they're not really even going hard from a marketing standpoint. And but they have been on the grounds establishing key partnerships that really matter, right? They matter, and they're providing value to a lot of these traditional companies that are looking to bridge over into the crypto space, right? Or into the blockchain space. And I know Hashgraph isn't technically a blockchain, right? I get it. But, Hashgraph is crypto, okay? So Hedera, which we know is an open source public ledger network, has announced a 5-year partnership worth $250 million with Saudi Ministry of Investments. Now, if you guys know anything about the Saudis, they have money, okay? Like money that, and I'm just reading articles, like money that I've never even thought, like it's insane, okay? That's just the capital part. But looking here, talking about this collaboration here, we see that Hedera is really strategically aligning themselves and being the bridge and the on-ramp to all of these different partnerships, right? Where else would they go? Oh yes, I'm in a partnership with Hedera, but I'm gonna go use Ethereum. Like, the odds of that happening, slim to none. Let's take a look here. We talked about the Saudi Ministry investment worth $250 million across 5 years, huge investment. Hedera and Hashgraph launched Deep Tech Venture Studio. So even in this partnership, Switzerland's Hashgraph, the company behind Hedera, unveiled its establishment of Deep Tech Venture Studio. And this facility will serve as a dynamic platform supporting local Saudi companies and international enterprises interested in operating within the kingdom. According to the announcement, the Deep Tech Venture Studio will focus on nurturing, developing solutions powered by emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, robotics, Internet of Things, virtual reality, quantum computing. The studio aims to catalyze technological advancements, drive economic growth, and foster innovation in Saudi Arabia by offering access to these technologies. We just talked about this, guys, the on-ramp. This is going to be the bridge for Saudi Arabia to be in crypto. Huge. So this collaboration seeks to leverage the combined expertise of Hedera, Hashgraph, and the Saudi Ministry of Investments to boost the innovation and propelled growth of digital economy in Saudi Arabia. It's happening. Now, I don't understand why this isn't being talked about enough, but remember this, guys. By the time it's going to be talked about and it's all over the place, it's going to be too late. Okay? That is when those, your grandma or your cousin who never, really showed interest in crypto starts buying it at all-time high prices. It's going to be too late. That's when you're going to start getting dumped on. And then you'll wait for a high load to break, and that's when they'll buy more, thinking it's an opportunity, and then it's going to be extreme correction. They're going to sell for a loss and never get into crypto again. That's typically the cycle of doom. So definitely wanted to highlight that. HBAR still sitting top 30 at 10 cents. One of the most undervalued projects out right now. Okay? One of the most undervalued projects out right now by far. Okay. And I think sky's the limit. We see the partnerships. These are strategic partnerships that are going to catapult this project to prices that we never seen before. Take a look at HBAR. Disclaimer, full disclaimer, not financial advice, but we are extremely bullish on HBAR, and we hold HBAR, and we've been accumulating during this entire bull run. So bear run, this entire bear run as we enter this bull market. So guys, hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.